Hey, what's up, people? I'm sure you'll be wondering. I'll be starting with hi, welcome to today's episode with Gempur, Mr. Raj. No, no, no. Enough of this thing. Okay, so before that, title card, please. You're tired and everything. I mean, it's like about 3 weeks plus for your Pspm. Keep going, keep going. Okay, I'll try to help in whatever way I can. If you have any requests, please drop in the comment section. After this, I'll be focusing on questions from PKA sets, okay, that you will be purchasing. Okay, so daily I'll be like alternating 15 chapters. Okay, so stay tuned for questions. I'll be discussing about today's question on chapter 2. Let's go back to default setting. Okay, we need to discuss this question. Okay, so first of all, I want to solve this. So it's basically a bit different, the inequality here, but then it's closely related to the equation that we have done before. So here, if you got inequality like this, of course, you need to break it into two inequality. So I'll be breaking it into two. So first is 2x plus 4 less than 2 to the power of 2x plus 2. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, then next is, I think I missed out something. This is x. Let me see the question again. I think I missed out. Yes, there is an x there. Okay, so there is an x there. So there is an x there. Thank God I realized at the start itself. So then this guy here, 2 to the power of 2x plus 2 power x less than 2. Okay, so now, okay, got two inequality. Of course, the word that I need to put in the middle is the word and because both of these things must happen. So there's n. So now I'm going to treat this as question 1 and I'm going to solve it, get my answer, and then this one question 2 and solve it. Okay, so if you see here, right, you have benda sama, so I cancel out. Going to get 2 power 2x greater than 4. I can make the base the same, so 2 power 2x greater than 2 power 2. Same, of course 2x is going to be greater than 2 and x is greater than 1. So that is solution 1. So done, that's fairly straightforward. So the trick here or the tough part here is of course dealing with this. Okay, so going to deal with this. So if you see here, okay, what you need is, okay, you see this is like a nice quadratic. So I'm going to go and do substitution. I'm going to do substitution, turn it in nice quadratic. So this guy is going to be y, and this is of course going to be y square plus. I'm going to bring this guy this side. Okay, so of course here the substitution that I'm doing is y equal to 2 to the power of x. So please take note of that. Okay, so now what we can actually do is, I want to go and solve this. This is quadratic inequality. Quadratic inequality. The way to solve quadratic inequality is I need graph. So if I go and factorize that, that is going to be y minus, sorry, plus 4, y minus 3. So I can do my graph, So I'll be cutting at negative 4 and I'll be cutting at 3. Positive, negative. So since this one must be less than 0, I want the negative counter sign. So the solution here is of course going to be y is between negative 4 and also. Hope you are clear up until there. But then please take note, okay, what I want is I want for x. Okay, at this moment, I only got solution in y. So this one, I need to go and consider carefully. So my y here is actually 2 to the power of x. Okay, so I got that. So here, if we go and try to solve in order to find x, because solution means you must have like this x greater than or x small than. So what I can do is, this one, I can break it into 2. Okay, I can break it into 2. Okay, so maybe this one I go and do the solution, okay, at another separate place here. Okay, I do here. So negative 4 less than 2x less than 3. So this guy I can break it into 2. So one is 2x is greater than negative 4 and at the same time 2x is less than 3. If you think about this guy is no solution. Why? Because if you see, you take log of both sides, this is negative ma, so you cannot solve. And then left with this guy only, so we cannot make the base the same. So obviously when you cannot make the base the same, what you have to do is you take log of both sides. So you take log of both sides, Then the x you go in front, and of course you divide. I think you're going to get something like log 3 divided by log 2. So that is going to be 1.58. So here nothing to combine, so your final answer is just this guy only. Nothing to combine. Kan selalu I take from here, I draw number line. But then here ini tiada mah, so ini saja. So if you can't actually understand 1.58, ini tiada contribution, ini only. So this one. So the solution is this. So the answer for this, okay, we are only having x is less than 1.58. So this will be my solution 2. Hope you are clear up until there. So now I got solution 1, I got solution 2. I go and combine using number line. So 1 going this way, 1.58 going this way. So because of the word n, I need to intersect solution 1, solution 2, which is here. So my final answer will be 1.58. So this is the answer. So if you want to know what you have done is correct or not, you can pick any number in this interval. Just go and substitute and see whether it's true or not. For example, what I can do is, maybe you can take 1.1, you replace here, replace, see whether it's true or not. Maybe for our own satisfaction, we can do that. Okay, say I take 1.1 plus 4. So that means this will be 6.14 less than, I took 1.1, so 2 to the power of 2.2 plus with 2 to the power of 1.1. Okay, so this will be 6.73. Then this one is the, so you see, it's something logic. So meaning to say, pick any value you put here, it will be logic. Hope you learned something there. Okay, keep going guys. Okay, if you like, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please share it with your friends. All the positive vibes to you. Keep working for your Pspm. A is in your hands. Ciao for now. No matter how bad your day is, just keep going.